In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cards in Monday.com as of 22.5, step by step. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most out of this powerful feature. First, head over to your Monday.com workspace and open the board you wish to visualize. This could be your project tracker, sales pipeline, or perhaps a content calendar. Once you've selected your board, it's time to switch its view. At the top of your board, you'll notice the option to plus add view. Click this and from the menu, select Kanban. This will convert your board items into cards, conveniently grouping them by a specific column, which is typically status. Make sure to give your new view a name, like task cards or workflow view. Now with the Kanban view active, you'll see your items displayed as cards, complete with key details like title, owner, and priority. To tailor what information each card shows, click on the three-dot menu at the top right of the Kanban view. Here, you'll find the option to customize cards. By selecting this, you can choose which columns are visible on each card. For instance, display columns such as person, date, priority, status, and tags. A neat tip for you: limit the visible fields to 4 per card for a cleaner, more readable layout. Next, let's discuss card organization. By default, your cards are grouped by their status columns, such as to do, working on it, or done. But don't worry, you can also choose to group by person, priority, or any drop-down column that suits your needs. Want to change a task status? Just drag and drop cards between groups to instantly update their status. For example, moving a task card from to do to in progress will immediately update the status column on your main board. If you're looking for a high-level overview, consider viewing your cards in a dashboard. Navigate to your dashboard and click plus add widget. Choose either board to view or Kanban widget, and then select your board and view type. This will integrate your cards into a mini Kanban board right within your dashboard. Don't forget about the My Work section. By clicking on My Work, from the left sidebar, you'll see all your assigned tasks displayed as cards grouped by due date or projects, and you can click on any card to open the full item view and manage your workload effectively. Whenever you need to make edits or updates, just click on a card to open the item detail panel. Here, you can change the status or due date, add updates or comments, attach files, or view connected boards and automations. Rest assured, every change you make syncs instantly across your main board. That's it for today's tutorial on using cards in Monday.